Folding electric bikes typically have a shorter range than electric mountain bikes and commuter bikes. There are numerous items accessible to electric folding bikes, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best electric folding bikes from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Electric bicycle, Silnovo. Combining with 3 modes for your choose. Electric bike, pedal assistant bike and traditional bike. Enjoy your journey with this folding electric bike even during a traffic jam. The max load is 264.5 pounds 120 kilograms, suitable for 410-510 riders aged 12 to 60. The 36V 10.4 Ah lithium battery electric bike is built in 350W powerful motor, max speed of 18.6 mph 30 km/h. And you can read the battery and speed on the LCD control panel conveniently, which makes your short trips and daily commute easier. The 14 inches air-filled tires provide an excellent cycling stability, and equipped with front and rear double disc brake for providing powerful braking and keeping you safe. The horn and the bright LED headlamp are equipped for night riding safely. The height adjustable seat gives you complete control over the comfort level of your adventure. Meanwhile, quick folding design makes it convenient to put into the car trunk, save more space for storage or transportation. It takes about 5 to 7 workdays on delivering generally. Be confident to buy this e-bike. We provide lifelong technical support. If there is any issue with it, don't hesitate to contact us, and we will respond and solve it within 24 hours. Number 2. Gyroor folding electric bike. Gyroor C2 Pro foldable electric bike for adults teens equipped with 450W brushless hub motor, climbing not EXCED 10% slope, 36V 10Ah high capacity battery, can ride up to 20 to 25 miles and up to 18.6 mph 30 km/h. This e-bike's for adults electric makes city commutes easier. More suitable for flat road driving, not for climbing. Gyroor C2 Pro electric bicycle adopts unique folding structure, 2 folding modes, can be dragged on road or the whole body folded into a circle, save 50% as much space when put in trunk, replaced in the house. The cool e-bike is so stylish, suitable for going on a trip, going to work, going to school and going shopping, will also be great gift. Unique low frame design make it easily stride over. Gyroor C2 Pro electric bikes for adults teens fits for height 4,293 to 52,113, max load 265 lbs, suitable for both sexes, 10 to 60 years old, especially for women and short people. It's also easy to ride in a skirt. Unique design than other brands. The battery is guaranteed for half a year and the bike accessories for 1 year. If you need any help, please do not hesitate to contact us. Gyroor C2 Pro electric mini bike will bring more convenience and happiness to your life. Number 3. Electric bike for adults teens. It is a foldable, portable and easy to store electric assisted bicycle. It is very suitable for daily commuting in the city or cycling in the suburbs on weekends. The lightweight aluminium alloy frame, mini size and folding design make it very convenient to take on the bus, underground or store in the boot of the car. Quicker to enjoy the new ride. Foldable design will make it easier to carry and storing. 3 riding modes supported. Pure electric mode, electric assist mode, normal bike mode. Tire size 10 3.0, anti-skidding, adapt to city, country and other complex topography. Inner tube 10 x 3.0 3.9. Front and rear disc brakes. Rear mounted high bright brake lights to improve safe driving experience. Come with pedal assist and walk assist model. High carbon steel frame. Keep the same speed for 8 seconds, S2 automatically starts to cruise without checking the throttle. Number 4. Swegtron Sweg Cyclelab 5. Pre-assembled. The electric bike already comes pre-assembled, so you won't have to waste time with complicated assembly and foreign bike parts. Height adjustable for adults and teens. Easily adjust the bicycle seat and handlebar to find the perfect position for a comfortable ride. 14-inch wheels. A pair of air-filled rubber tires with quick disconnect power lines ensure better traction and easy tire maintenance. Terrain type flat terrain. 15.5 mile range. Ride your hybrid bike on full throttle to cruise up to 15.5 miles on a single charge by toggling between power assist and pedaling. The EB5's foldable bike frame can accommodate riders up to 264 pounds and folds 3 times, so it fits inside compact vehicles, under desks, on subways and in other small spaces. Charging time 4 to 5 hours. Number 5. Jetson Bolt Adult Folding Electric Ride. Take charge. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Max range 15 miles. Explore your neighborhood or enjoy your commute all on a single battery charge. Lightweight frame. The aluminum alloy frame is lightweight and sturdy, supporting up to 250 pounds and made for everyday use. On the go. Easily take it up and down stairs, slide it under your desk, or tuck it away at home with the collapsible handlebar. 250-watt motor. Zip around town in style with the Bolt's powerful yet quiet motor.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.